Are you suffering from diastasis recti, umbilical hernia, and postpartum with C-section complications? Hi, my name is Annie and welcome back to my channel, Annie Pilates Physical Therapist. Join me and my sister-in-law, Bisa, who's done day 1. So check out day 1 first before proceeding to day 2 to make sure you are connecting to core if you had postpartum complications like diastasis recti, umbilical hernia, and C-sections. You can watch that video to learn more on her journey of recovery. And this is her day 2 and she's feeling good so far.
I am.
And she felt the connection with the core on day 1. So don't miss out on day 1 because this is day 2, which is very important as well because you can do some Pilates, yoga, and physical therapy in standing without hurting that hernia, diastasis recti, or your postpartum complications such as C-sections. So get your mat ready, dumbbells, or if you don't have dumbbells, this is lightweight 2 pounds. You can use canned goods or bottled waters for absolute beginners to join me today. So on day 1, Bisa said it's weird on the belly breathing. What can you say about the belly breathing?
Because I feel like it's the opposite. I breathe in and it's like, it's supposed to go in, but it's not. It's supposed to go out.
So that's why don't miss day 1 because day 1, we tackled a lot of breath work. Because today we'll be standing. I'll give some cues on the belly breath, but doesn't mean that you're doing correctly. So make sure you perfect day 1 first. Okay, let's begin the program. Okay, my friends, this is day 2. So it's still beginners. We want to make sure you do it correctly. We're not rushing. We're not going to do anything that's going to hurt your hernia. And you don't have to wear your abdominal binder on this program because it's only 2-pound weight. It's not going to strain it. So with your dumbbells in front of you, feet apart, toes pointing diagonally, we're going to start with breath work first. So we're going to lift the dumbbells in front of you. As you belly breath, push your belly out. As you exhale, pull your navel to your spine and place the dumbbells in front of you. And then you want to make sure you squeeze your buttocks, squeeze your glutes as hard as you can, breathing out through your mouth. Inhale, push your belly out as you push the dumbbells forward. And then soften your knees if you need to so you can really engage your core. And then squeeze your core in. So my knees are slightly bent. Squeeze my core in, tighten as hard as you can, breathe out. Inhale, push out, belly out, in, belly in. So the good reminder of the dumbbells will make you remind the connection with your core. Inhale, belly out, in, belly in. Breathe in as you push out. Exhale as you pull in. 4 more. Inhale. Exhale. This is so gentle. It's so effective. Inhale. Exhale. Squeeze as hard as you can. 2 more. Push out. Pull in. How you feeling, Bisa?
Okay.
Good. Last one. Good job. Now, with the dumbbells in front of you, you're gonna slowly lower your knees out, pushing like a plie. Belly out. And then belly in as you extend your knee and then reach to the heavens, look up. Squeeze your core in as hard as you can. And breathe out, belly button to your spine. Inhale as you go down. You push your belly out, pushing your knee out to the side as much as you can go down. And then exhale, go up, push your knee out. Looking up to the heavens to expand your rib cage. Squeeze your core in and improve your overall posture. Inhale as you go down. Push your knees out, belly breath. Inhale, exhale, push your knees straight, look up, squeeze your core in, and exhale. 4 more. Inhale, exhale, up. 3 more. Squeeze your glutes, pushing your buttocks out. You're trying to pretend you're going to sit down on a low chair, and then extend your legs. Extend the dumbbells up to the heavens. Squeeze your core in. Whew, so far so good. You feel it, Bisa? Good. 2 more. Squeeze your core in. Last one. Inhale. Exhale up. Well done. Now we're gonna do wood chop work. Hold that dumbbells to the side and we're gonna lift your right knee. Shift your body weight to the left as you lift your right knee up and then slowly lower the dumbbells, tapping to your knee. It's balancing, okay? And then up. So targeting your obliques without hurting your diastasis recti. Shift, squeeze your core in, balance. If you can't balance yet, you can hold something stable like a table. Inhale, belly breath, and balance on your left, tap your knee. Breathe out. Don't forget your breath work. Inhale, reach to the left, and then shift your body weight to the left as you lift your right knee. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Reach as you inhale. Exhale, tap to your knee. 2 more. Balance. I know you're getting tired on your balance, right? Last one. Exhale. Now we're going to shift to the other side. Reach to the right. Shift your body weight to the right. Soften your right knee if you need to. Lift your left knee as you tap the dumbbell to your knee. And bow down and reach. Inhale. Exhale as you tap. You might find one side a little bit harder to balance. And we're standing on sand, so it's a little bit more challenging. Right, Bisa? It's okay. This will get better. If you have weak balance, it means your core is weak. So balance will help you improve your overall core connection. We're not speeding it up. We're doing mind-body awareness control. Inhale. Exhale. 2 more, Bisa. You guys are doing amazing. Squeeze your core in. Don't forget your breath work. Last one. And down. Take a breather. Whew. Take a breather if you need to. Makes you sweat, right? Especially here in Florida. It's a little bit warm. Gold Coast, Destin, Florida. Enjoying the beautiful sand. Taking a breather. Get some water if you need to. Okay, my friends. We're going to do more core. Place the dumbbells overhead again. Feet together a little bit closer now. And we're going to do marching in place. This is not just marching fast. It's about mind-body awareness, slow control. So you want to make sure as you lift, your knees level to your hip. Squeeze your belly button to your spine as you exhale. And then inhale as you go down, belly, breath, belly out. And then shift your body weight to the left as you lift your right knee up 90 degrees. Squeeze your core in, tighten, and down. We have 9 more. Inhale, exhale. Shift to the left, lift your right. Shift to right, lift the left. Breath work. We're almost done, my friends. Inhale. Exhale. Squeeze your core in as hard as you can. 5 more. 4 more. 3 more. 2 more. Last one, my friends. We're almost done. This is still day 2. It's absolute beginner. We don't want to do too much that could strain your abdominal area and down. Okay, my friends. This is the last exercise. Feet apart, really far apart. Soften your knees a little bit. Push the dumbbells out. We're going to do trunk rotation as you twist. You want to make sure it's not too much. Only level to your left knee. There you go. And really brace your core, belly button to your spine. Inhale, back to the center. Exhale as you twist to the right. Inhale as you go center, belly out. Belly in as you twist. Protect that area. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, back center. Exhale out. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, back center. Twist to the left. Squeeze your core in. Inhale. Exhale to the right. 4 more. Inhale. 3 more. Inhale, back center. Exhale out to the right. Inhale, center. Exhale to the left. Last one, my friends. And last one to the other side. And down. How you feeling, Bisa? Your arms might be tired, right? Yes. Feel it. And then now we're going to lower down really that low. And then we're going to plie left and right, alternating left and right. Shift your body weight. We're cooling down now. Inhale and exhale. Whew. What a lovely workout today. Day 2 is not bad, right, my friends? This will help you regain your core strength, your back strength, your posture, the core, the powerhouse of the body. Now, we're going to do a short pulse. Take a deep breath 10 times. Squeeze your core in as you pulse. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. And then let go of the dumbbells. We're going to do some stretching. we're gonna face to the left with your feet apart. Lean forward and lean all the way down. Feel that beautiful stretch, right, bees? Take deep breaths. Don't forget to hold your core still, belly breath. Protect that area. Even simple stretching you need to protect. And then switch to the other side. It's important to cool down so you don't get too sore the next day. Belly breath. And then now we're gonna open your arms out to the side. Roll your shoulders back, elbows extended. Open your fingers, stretch those fingers, your wrists. Carrying your babies, make your wrists tired. Whew. And reach to the heavens. Interlock your fingers, index finger pointing to the heavens, and lean on one side and lean to the opposite side. 2 more. Last one. And then slowly feet together, and that's it. I'm hoping you enjoyed day 2 of my amazing Absolute Beginners core workout to really strengthen your core safely and effectively utilizing Pilates, yoga, physical therapy, health, and wellness. If you love this video and want to learn more about Pilates, yoga, and physical therapy, please subscribe to my channel, ring the bell so you won't miss anything. Like and share this video. Every like you give to my channel, you are supporting me. Thank you, Bisa, for joining me on day 2. She's doing great. So far, so good on your core. Day 2, she's feeling it, but still safe, don't worry. As I said on day 1, we talk about nutrition, talk about a lot of things, about proper ergonomics. Check out that link over here. And you can also join my Revive Pelvic Floor Health that I'll be opening a new course for absolute beginners. And for those who feel confident to really build their core strength safely and effectively, you can join my back masterclass that I'll be reopening on for a first come first serve basis. Write your name and email address so you can get the link before the public gets it. And you can support me by purchasing this lovely pants and shorts and other workout apparel down the description below, Teespring and Printify. If you have more time today, check out this video for day 3, but make sure you do it the next day, okay? And then day 1 for those who miss out day 1. Always remember, be safe, be well, and healthy you. Bye!